Welcome back to the Non-Artist 10-Day Challenge. This is day 9 and we are so close to the finish line, you guys. I am so proud of you for coming this far, but today is going to be a little bit of a challenging one. You're going to need a lot of bravery. So first thing we're going to do is go onto Facebook, Instagram, wherever you get your inspiration, and collect some shapes. So find some fun shapes you like. They can be organic, they can be geometric, they can be whatever you like, and just kind of collect those. Once again, I'm going to use my layout app to kind of put it all together so I can see all of my favorite shapes all at once. For this next part, you're going to need a little bit of bravery. Grab a pair of scissors, grab all those pages you've been working so hard on in the last 8 days, and we're going to start cutting. If you're not great with scissors or you're not sure exactly how to get those shapes that you found earlier, feel free to use a pencil on like the back side of the paper, and then you can follow that so that you don't cover up any of your actual pattern. As with anything else we've done, don't feel like you need to make it perfect. Just kind of have fun with it and play with it and cut each and everything. I cut way more than I needed to, and don't feel like you need to use all of it. Once you have everything cut into some pieces, we are ready for day 10. So if you don't have everything cut out, don't worry about it. It's okay to leave some big pieces, and we may change the shapes a little bit tomorrow when we put everything together. I am so proud of you guys for getting this far. We have one more day to go, and then we'll have our final product. Thanks for watching.